permission to put the bar down.
Oh, there we go. Well, on the park's empty. With Jay, he's going to do sick 180, 360, 90s on the box.
Won't be happening.
Not with that attitude, it won't. I don't really know what I'm going to do. Probably just park on stuff again, sure, why not? But yeah, park is empty, look at that, it's so beautiful. It's already recording, yeah, doing the thing.
Which way do you point it?
Doesn't matter, anyway, just hold it straight. It records everything.
Alright, I'm following you.
Oh, good Lord, God help you.
Well, I followed behind you and then I got next to you on the last hill.
That's okay. They weren't very good. If you're worried about that. It'll be fine. So first box, then cut, then yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Very sticky.
Yeah.
It's a slide, nothing happens.